Watch me, Dad. You definitely watch me, Dad.
You guys are gonna go ahead.
Sure you want your glasses on? Yeah.
Enjoy your flight today, travelers. Good luck out there.
Woo! This ride just like starts abruptly. Even pilots in the future sound like pilots today.
Star Tours 1401, you are cleared for departure. Initiate takeoff sequence.
What? Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
R2-D2, what's going on here? We are not ready for takeoff. The captain isn't on board yet. You know I can't fly this thing. No, neither can you. We need a proper pilot.
Attention, all transport hold for security clearance.
Stormtroopers will be deactivated for sure.
Hold it right there, Captain.
I'm not actually the captain.
We're looking for this rebel spy. Have you seen them?
No one on this transport could possibly be a spy. Oh dear.
This is the speeder we're looking for. Blast them!
Shields are R2. Where are we going?
Oh no!
This is madness! R2, don't you dare make the jump to light speed!
Oh no! We're on the ready.
Now what?
Oh no, we're racing this.
Hot face!
Oh,
I always wanted to do this. Hang on, everyone! You ruffian! We'll show him. We've snagged a pod racer, which gives us twice the power. We won! Now come upon and let's get out of here.
I guess that's the thing.
Watch out! What transmission?
This is Admiral Akbar. By now you know that your star speeder is carrying an agent vital to our rebel cause.
The spy?
Precisely. Deliver them safely to the rendezvous point I am transmitting to your R2 unit. Good luck, and may the Force be with you.
R2-D2, what are you saying? This is madness! This can't be right.
You can run, but you can't hide. Not from me.
That rightful bounty hunter. Hang on!
Our heads now.
I have a bad feeling about this. I'm getting us out of here. I know exactly what I'm doing.
Say goodbye, rebel spy.
A sonic bomb! You're not R2! Now get us out of here!
Star Tours, we were concerned about you. Is our agent safe?
Safe, but perhaps a little shaken.
We're grateful you made it. You are all heroes of the rebellion.
I'd rather like the sound of that. Now be careful out there, all of you. The Empire is watching. Pardon me, but how do we get back to a Star Tours terminal?
Please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit doors.
You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift.
Priority alert. Detachments in the
There they are! Fire!